So you click on this video wanting to know why you're still poor. Well, despite what the news says, it's not because gas prices or inflation or that expensive coffee that you drink on your way to work every morning. You want to know why? Let's figure it out. The beginning of the morning, this is what we all do. We go into our phones. We go into our phones and we check stocks, we check Instagram, we check Bitcoin.
But if we do
check pretty much everything that we
are
can.
going to see an
Nice. On to the next one. Gotta wash our teeth, of course. Still checking Twitter. Still checking their phones. Yeah, time for some sports news. That was funny what he said. Oh, whoa, nice water, nice sparkling water. Oh, wait, what's that? Drinks? Heck yeah, let's go. Did you see the difference? I hope you did. Because all you do since the time you wake up until the time you go to sleep at night is consume. You consume somebody else's content. You consume the price of Bitcoin or stocks. You consume somebody else's life, but you're not producing anything. The pandemic was an eye-opening opportunity for a lot of people who didn't have a job. And out of the blue, they had to start making content. They started making YouTube channels about cooking or Facebook Lives or Instagrams about cooking, about doing DIYs, about doing something else that will resolve somebody else's problem. And now, all these people have lives that they didn't have 2-3 years ago, but they're making money because they're solving somebody else's problem, and they also are giving value to other people. That's why most of the companies that make money during the pandemic were companies that either gave value, either they gave a service, or they sold products like Amazon, like TikTok, like YouTube, like Zoom. All these companies that either provided value, or sold a product or a service. That's why you're still poor, because you're breaking the number one rule of money, which is you're receiving and you're not giving away. You're not giving away content, you're not giving away value, but you want everything for you. So the next time you ask yourself why you're still poor, get off your ass and produce something. I'm Jose, I'll see you the next one. Peace.